Welcome to the greatest story ever. The Red Plumber and the Small House. There once was a red plumber and a green plumber and a white plumber and a small plumber and a 3D plumber and a 2D plumber and so on. And there was Mario Hotel. Oh my God, guys, it's Mario Hotel. And there was a spaghetti. Oh my God, I love a spaghetti. That is so delicious, guys. So then Mario came, then Luigi, then Fire Mario, then Small and 3D Mario, then 2D Mario, then Flat Mario, then Just Dance Mario. Let me tell you all their intentions. Mario just wanted some good spaghetti. Luigi also just wanted some good spaghetti. White Mario wanted to burn this place down. Small Mario wanted to run away from his parents. 64 Mario is dead AF. 2D Mario is staring at the dead AF body, crying, and surprised that it's not fallen down yet. Whole Mario came into the void to steal my Pop-Tarts. And Just Dance Mario, he wanted to dance. What do you expect? He is Just Dance Mario after all. Okay. Then the bottle exploded and the police fell. And it was no other than Fox Mario and Fox Plumber and Green, but still kind of original Plumber. They've been good at devious looks, but suddenly they've been caught by badly drawn Plumber, aka God. God punished him to the Shadow Realm, and he died. Also, Green Plumber, but still original Plumber, died too of a heart attack. Wonderful. And then Shadow Mario came around and corrupted my soul. How fun is that? And he got out a knife and he cutted some steak off camera, but because we want it child friendly, he cutted some steak. The end. Now it's time for the credits, I guess, kinda. The other ones we don't know. That is very sad. I am depressed and sad because the other ones we don't know. But we do know something. That you should give us this video a subscribe and a like. Okay, bye.